You ask me, I like Civic or I like you. I like you because you are driving Civic. Come, let us introduce you the 11th generation Civic FE ambient light with a lot of function. Okay guys, so this is Civic FE ambient light, okay? So including a lot of items. So you can see left signal, coming with signal function. So when we put left signal, right signal, we have right signal light, okay? Then aircon control, come with aircon control, okay? Then, and one more thing, if I open my door, we have red light. If I close, normal light. Red light, open light, okay? And also, our sensor, follow sensor. When we reverse, you can see green light, yellow light. When nearer, it become red light. Red light. Okay, so we have 3 functions.